Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Now let's see the provider page in BitBlast. In BitBlast, we have multiple providers that simplifies the process of creating databases or clusters by requiring users to first add providers. Providers play a crucial role in defining the infrastructure for these clusters. By adding providers, users can establish the foundation for their databases, ensuring compatibility and optimization. This initial step streamlines the subsequent creation process, allowing users to seamlessly configure and customize their clusters. BitBlast's approach ensures that the addition of providers is the first step in creating robust and tailored database clusters, providing a user-friendly and efficient experience. BitBlast flexibility empowers users to seamlessly add providers by selecting the desired provider and filling in key fields such as API name, API endpoint, access key, and secret key. Clicking the Add Provider button then incorporates the chosen provider into the system. Moreover, users have the option to update credentials for an already added provider, facilitating easy maintenance and modification of existing configurations. This user-friendly process ensures that providers can be efficiently managed and tailored to specific needs, offering a dynamic approach to creating clusters within BitBlast. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.